Hello, I am Siddharth Reddy. I am here to tell about defining classes and creating objects. Here are the topics: classes, objects, with the syntax and delete option, init, destructors, and examples of the classes and objects. Here, what is a class? It is a blueprint of objects defining the common attributes and the behavior. Or it can be said as a class is a collection of objects. Object. Object is said to be an instance of class is called as an object. And the process of creating this object is called instantiation, or it can be said as an object is simply a collection of data, that means variables and methods, which is functions that act on those data. As many houses can be made from houses blueprint, we can create many objects from a class. And here this is the syntax for the class. Here we can see the class name means attributes, and here methods, and the example hashtag creating a class. Here we taken the example as a class, a college, and the code as taken as an input integer 95. Here define function is used, def name in curly brackets. Here print, and we taken IARE. Here C is equals to college, C dot name, which is output will be given as IARE. Here C college will be given object created, which is next. Here the self function. Here the self is used as a reference variable which refers to the current class object. It is always the first argument in the function definition. However, using self is optional in function call. The self parameter refers to the current instance of the class and accesses the class variables. Here is a self is which is used in the class and objects. And here we can see here object name, class name, here arguments, class employee, id given will be given as 10, and the name, which is John. Define display, in brackets we have given self. This is the example for the self function in the class. And print, here id, which is given as self dot id, self dot name. Hashtag creating a employee instance of employee class. Employee is equals to, in brackets, emp dot display. Here another deleting the object. We can delete the properties of the object or object itself by using the del keyword. Here we can see the example: class employee, id is given as 10, name as John. Here def display, self print id, creating an employee instance of employee class. Emp is equals to employee. Deleting the property of the object. Here we are deleting the object by using del keyword, del emp dot id. Here del emp dot id, emp dot display. And here another one, which is in it. Here in it is one of the reversed methods in Python. In object oriented programming, it is known as a constructor. The init method can be called when an object is created from the class and access is required to initialize the attribute of the class. Here we use two underscore, and init another two underscores. And again, here we can see destructors. That means destructors are called when objects get destroyed. In Python, destructors are not needed as much as needed in C++ because Python has a garbage collector that handles memory management automatically. In del method is also known the del method is also known as destructor method in Python. It is called when all references to the object have been deleted. That means when an object is garbage collected. The syntax for destructor declaration here define the del, which is self, here the body of the constructor, and here we can see the built-in class attributes we can see dict, doc, name, module, basis. Here we can see the description of these attributes. Dict, this is a dictionary that holds the class namespace, and here doc, this gives us the class documentation. If the documentation is present, none, or otherwise. Here we are name. This gives us the class name, module, and the fourth one is module. This gives us the name of module in which class is defined. In an interactive mode, it will be given as underscore main underscore. Here basis, a possibly empty tuple containing the base classes in the order of their occurrence. Now we can see the example one of classes and objects. Here, here we can see this is a sample class called awesome, defining init function with self print hello from init method. Here we are printing the awesome dot doc. The output will be, this is a sample class called awesome. And here we can see the example 2. uh, uh, this is a sample class called awesome. Here again we are using init print hello from init method. Here we are using awesome dot name. Then the output will be only the awesome. Here you have seen the properties and the examples and the types and the building attributes in the classes and objects, and the class and objects. By this I am finishing the session. Thank you.